Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to find homes quickly and accurately using PropatyHub's smart search and filter tools. Whether you're renting, buying, or looking for a shortlet, this tutorial will help you narrow down your options without endless scrolling. Accessing the search page. From your tenant home, click Browse All Homes to open the main property search page. Here you'll see tabs for different intents: to rent, for sale, shortlets, off-plan, and all homes. By default, the To Rent tab is selected. Using Smart Search. At the top of the page, you'll see a large Smart Search bar. You can type a city, neighborhood, or a descriptive phrase such as Ikoyi 2-bed flat with balcony, and click Search. The results will update instantly. To remove your query, clear the text and press Search again. Switching between rental types. Use the tabs to switch context. For sale shows homes available to buy, shortlets shows nightly stays, off-plan lists properties still in development, and all homes merges everything. The active filter bar will always reflect the current intent. Opening the filter panel. For more precise filtering, click the Filters button. A panel slides in from the right. Here you can refine your search by bedrooms. Enter a number and choose whether it's exact, at least that number, or up to that number. Price. Set minimum and maximum rent or sale price. Property type. Pick from apartments, houses, studios, duplexes, and more. Furnished. Specify whether you want a furnished home, unfurnished, or have no preference. When you've set your criteria, click Apply. The results refresh and the active filters bar updates accordingly. Clearing and adjusting filters. In the active filters bar, you can remove individual filters or click Clear to remove them all. If you're still in the filter panel, you can choose Reset to revert to your previous settings or Clear All to start over before clicking Apply again. Reading listing cards. Scroll down to the results grid. Each card tells you key information, whether the host is verified, the property type, long-term, shortlet, off-plan, price per night or per year, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and whether it's furnished. You'll also see a heart icon to save favorites and a button to request viewing or request to book. Remember, verified hosts and clear pricing help you evaluate options quickly. Saving searches, optional. If you like your current filters, you can click Follow this search to save it. This sets up an alert so you'll be notified when new homes match your criteria. We'll cover saved searches in more detail in a later tutorial. That's all for Smart Search and filtering on PropatyHub. By using the Smart Search bar to enter a location or a description and refining your results with filters, you can quickly zero in on homes that meet your needs. Thanks for watching.